So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. Ooh, looks like she ended up getting a chic French girl style bob. Oh, this is gorgeous. And this is definitely a very popular hair trend for 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have the stylist doing a pixie hairstyle. He's mixing in some color. Wow! So not only did she cut her hair, but she decided to go blonde. Oh, she looks amazing. Very nice. And then we see someone with long mid-length hair. She heads to the salon and she got a beautiful bob haircut. Very nice. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Then we have a nice little playful wolf cut, flipped under style. Followed by this curly pixie haircut. Oh, I love it. I love the texture, the shape. So pretty. So it looks like the stylist cuts just a tad bit of hair for the next one, really giving a shaping to her strands. Nice chic curtain bangs to frame out the face. Very nice. And then we have someone with a blonde bob. Oh, looks like she also got a bit of a shaping with some curtain bangs. Very nice. And then it looks like we have someone who wants to try out the layered haircut trend. She went copper with layers. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love the dimension within the coloring. Beautifully done. Alright, you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.